Hey there, I'm Henry Liu, former chef turned realtor. Welcome back to Home Cooking, where I bring my two passions together, good food and beautiful homes. Today, we're at 3046 Southwest Fairmount Boulevard in Portland's Healy Heights neighborhood, and we're making shakshuka. If you've never had shakshuka before, it is eggs cooked right inside a smoky tomato and pepper sauce. It's simple, colorful, and exactly the kind of brunch dish that makes you want to stay home a little longer. And this home fits that feeling. So let's get cooking. We're going to start with olive oil in the pan. Then I'm adding diced onion and red bell peppers first. These need a little bit more time to soften and build the base of the sauce. Once those start to cook down, I'm adding garlic. Garlic adds that warm, savory flavor that makes the whole sauce feel deeper. Now I'm adding my tomatoes. I'm using Roma tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, and beautiful heirloom tomatoes. The Roma tomatoes give the sauce body, the cherry tomatoes add sweetness, and the heirlooms bring that color and that fresh farmer's market flavor. While the sauce cooks down, let's talk about this home and this neighborhood. We are in Healy Heights, one of those Portland neighborhoods that give you a really specific kind of lifestyle. It feels tucked away, quiet, but you're still close to the city. And from this home, the views are the major part of the story. On a clear day, you can take in Mount Saint Helens, Mount Hood, Mount Adams, and even a peek of the city down toward northwest Portland. Inside the home has a sun-filled gourmet kitchen with quartz countertops and a kind of space that makes cooking feel natural. And the living room brings in character with exposed wood beams, giving the home warmth you do not always find in larger homes. Out back, there are two decks that make the home feel even bigger. One for entertaining, one for relaxing, or both for taking in the quiet and the views. And that matters because people do not just buy bedrooms and bathrooms, they buy the life that comes with the home. Now we season it with salt, black pepper, paprika, a touch of cumin, and a little love from MSG. This is where the dish starts to turn into shakshuka. The tomatoes break down, the peppers soften, and everything starts becoming this rich, smoky sauce. Now the sauce is thickened, and this is what we want. Saucy enough to scoop, but thick enough to hold the eggs. I'm making little wells in the sauce, then cracking the eggs right into the pan. Now we cover it and let the eggs cook gently. The goal is set whites and soft yolks. While that finishes, I'm gonna toast some bread. A lot of people serve shakshuka with pita, but today I'm using toasted sourdough bread. It fits the brunch feel of this episode better, and honestly, when the sauce is this good, the bread is not just a side, it's the tool in which you eat. Now we finish with fresh parsley, feta, and a small squeeze of lemon. And there it is, shakshuka with fresh tomatoes, peppers, eggs, feta, herbs, and toasted sourdough bread for scooping. This is why shakshuka works for this home. It is simple, warm, colorful, and meant to be shared. It feels like the kind of dish you make after a slow morning, and that is the lifestyle this home offers. At this house, no reservations needed. Just book a tour with me to come look at this amazing listing, and who knows, this might be your home soon.